morning, we're expecting to learn even more information about the alleged abuse in Waterbury involving a stepmother and her stepson.
The Waterbury woman accused of imprisoning her stepson will walk into the Waterbury Superior Courthouse again this morning. Your reporter Roger Susannon is live ahead of that high-stakes appearance. And Roger, I know the world is watching.
Yeah, absolutely. This case is getting international attention. And, you know, this morning, Tracy and Nicole, we're really going to have to keep our heads on a swivel because, as you mentioned, two very important things are going to happen, and they could happen within minutes. So first and foremost, of course, Kimberly Sullivan will walk through these courthouse doors, and then her attorney tells us she will likely plead not guilty. And then prosecutors will continue their push to closely monitor her before this case heads to trial. This moment, Kimberly Sullivan refusing to answer questions as she heads into court, will likely play out again and again here in Waterbury. Investigators arrested her after they claim Sullivan tortured her own stepson for more than 20 years, locking him inside a tiny bedroom from the outside for at least 22 hours a day on the brink of starvation. The victim escaped by setting a fire inside his bedroom. He was just 68 pounds when he was rescued. He told police that he hadn't received any medical care for more than a decade and hadn't even bathed for at least a year. Prosecutors are now asking a judge to place Sullivan under house arrest or at least force her to wear an ankle monitor because they fear with these kinds of serious allegations, she could be a flight risk. And Sullivan's lawyer, by the way, as we come back live now, says he will fight that motion because he claims there's nothing in Sullivan's background that would suggest that she'll actually make a run for it. Her family is here, and he claims that she is not guilty of any of these charges, which is why she will plead not guilty again just hours from now. A lot going on here in Waterbury. We're going to have multiple crews in the courthouse, and of course, we'll bring you new information as soon as it develops. We are live this morning in Waterbury. I'm your reporter, Roger Susannon, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.